Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new here and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And also smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this content. Right now I'm going to be talking about how you as a business owner can get access to free money up to tens of thousands of dollars, from hundreds of dollars up to tens of thousands of dollars up to hundred thousands of dollars. Okay. And I'll show you what in the CARES Act has allowed this to happen, and also tell you how you can look to see if you qualify for this kind of program. Okay? So what I'm talking about is net operating loss. If you haven't heard of it, it just means that your business or your personal or your income tax took a net operating loss rather than showing an income. Your income is actually a negative number, which means you incurred a loss for the year. Okay, that's called a net operating loss. And so what happens with that loss is that you can carry it forward indefinitely to offset future income, or you can carry it back up to 2 years and offset past income. Why would you want to do that? All right, so let's talk about the carry forward first. When you carry it forward, you're taking that loss that you incurred in this year and you're offsetting future incomes with that loss. So when you offset future incomes, you basically reduce your tax liability, okay? So that's why that's important. That's why the carry forward is important. Now, why would you carry it backwards? So if you carry backwards, you're offsetting past income, which means that if you had income in the previous 2 years and you fully paid off all your taxes for it, like you don't owe any tax right now for it, and you carry back that loss and you offset that income, that means that you qualify for a refund of your taxes based on how much of the losses impacted your net income in prior years. And that's how you're going to be getting this free money right away, or at least as soon as the IRS processes everything. If you do qualify, is you're going to carry it backwards a couple years to offset your past income and get that refund. Now, if you still are making installment agreement payments on your prior year taxes, like you haven't paid them off yet, then what this will do is actually just reduce your tax liability. So you have to pay less back. So you might not get a refund, but you're going to owe less money. So it's not like an instant gratification thing, but it will help you regardless. So what did the CARES Act do for this net operating loss? So what they did is they extended the 2-year carryback rule to 5 years, meaning that you can carry your loss back up to 5 years to offset any past income, which is huge, okay? Because some business owners, if you're just starting out, you're likely to have losses for a few years and you don't have to pay taxes on it, but then that also means you can't really carry it back for those years because you just have other losses. I mean, you can carry it back, but you're not going to offset any income to get a refund. So now you can carry it back up to 5 years. That means that you have more years to look at, more years that might qualify you for refunds that you can carry that loss back. The CARES Act has extended this 2 years to 5-year losses for losses incurred after years 2017 only. That means so far, if you incurred a loss in 2018 or 2019, then you can carry those losses back up to 5 years. But if you incurred a loss in 2017 or earlier, that still falls under the 2-year rule. Hope you're following with me so far. So now, how do you qualify for this program? So first of all, you got to have a loss in 2018 or 2019. If your business took a loss or your personal income tax took a loss in 2018, 2019, then you're looking good right now. So if you're an individual, if you file as a sole proprietor, or if you were part of a partnership, or if you're part of a single or a multi-member LLC or an S corporation, what you want to do is look on your personal tax return, your 1040. Look for your adjusted gross income. And if that number is negative, that means you have a net operating loss that you likely would be able to carry back, okay? If that number is negative on your adjusted gross income. If you are a C corporation, since C corporations pay their own taxes, then what you can do is just look at your taxable income from your Form 1120. That's your corporate tax return. If your taxable income is negative, that means you have a net operating loss that you can carry back or forward. So the next thing you want to look for, if you do have a loss that qualifies, you want to look at years 2013 through 2017. If you have taxable income in those years and you pay the taxes and you're all caught up on your taxes, then you will likely get a refund if you carry that loss back to one of those years. Now again, if you still owe taxes on those years and you're still making payments on those, carrying your loss back will just reduce your tax liability and you have to pay less back. Same thing with corporations. Look for years 2013 through 2017. If you had a taxable income in those years and you carry your loss back, you will likely get a refund if you paid off your taxes there. All right. The process is a little tricky. Like, there's a couple ways you can claim a net operating loss, but for purpose of the CARES Act, it's form 1045. It's a claim for tentative refunds. That's the form that you want to use. If you're confused about it, definitely contact us. We are a CPA firm and we can help you with that. All right. That's all I got for today. Thanks for joining me. Again, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be keeping you guys updated on how you can take advantage of various stimulus package programs and keep you updated on stimulus package news. And also smash that like button if you haven't done so already. All right, y'all take care for now, and I'll see you next time.